What's going on? My name is Kevin. Welcome to K-barz Creations. We're going to be getting into music, DAWs, making stuff. So yeah, we are basically going to be making some fire beats. Learning how to produce it, learning how to make it, learning how to mix, learning how to use the DAW, learning all the tools within that DAW, as well any technical issues that come along with it, because there are quite a few, and you definitely need to do some learning and digging into. But regardless, let's get right into this. I'm going to bring you through the stuff I got, show you my computer, my keyboard, and my MIDI input, and my setup that I built. So, other than that, let's get to this. Let's dive right in. So we'll just jump right into it. I got the Novation Launch Key 49. It's got everything I need, all the features. The sliders on it are pretty cool. The buttons underneath, all mappable. In control features are another thing specifically for this board, as well as velocity sensitive pads, adjustable pots on the top that you can map to whatever you need. The pads feel pretty good. I like them so far. And it's got your basic forward, reverse, record, play, pause. As well, we're rocking the B350 motherboard. It's got a Ryzen 2600X processor in it, the Rogue Strix 1660 Ti, 32 gigs of DDR4 RAM. Everything's overclocked and efficient. It does everything I need it to. It's perfect.
Cool, dude.
Other than that, the overall setup's just efficient. I made that little keyboard tray you can see. It holds my keyboard behind my MIDI, so I can sit there and play keys and quickly hop over to hotkeys. It's on a desk that I custom built myself as well. You'll be able to see that it's like gym floor or wood flooring that I snapped together, screwed to the top of the desk, and cut out a certain shape so it kind of holds my arms. As well, I don't have monitor speakers, which I would love, and the screen is another big one. It's got a 1440p high refresh, so it's easy to look at. It's a good screen. I forgot to mention my Corsair inputs too, my keyboard and mouse. It just makes everything, my workflow, way smoother, easier. I'm not messing around with hardware that's not cooperating. So I just wanted to give you a little breakdown of what I got, what this series of videos is going to actually have in it. We'll start actually making some beats and having fun doing it. Just figured I'd get a bunch of this dry information out of the way. If you can, go subscribe so you can check out these next few videos. If you just go click subscribe at my YouTube channel, K-barz Creations. That way next time you can see every time I post a video for these series. If not the end of the world. I hope I see you again. This is K-barz Creations. I will see you next time. Y'all ready to enjoy the show.